Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sew by me, Juliana. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and do not forget to click the like button at the end of this video. Please like the video and leave your comment. Today we'll be making this no-sew face mask. No-sew face mask. For those of you who don't like to wear the face mask that has a elastic that will go through your ear, the other day I make one with bias tape. This is equally an option for you guys. So let's go straight to it. So all you need for this video is your tape measure, elastic which measures 38 inches length, 38 inches elastic, and also your fabric 15 by 8 inches. You need your scissors and also your pin. So all you need now is to cut out your fabric. Once you have your fabric, place your fabric like so. Place the good side on top. When you place the good side, fold it like this. Fold it into two. You see? You fold into two. Fold into two like so. When you fold it, make sure it's equal, because this will serve as a space for those of you who like to put a filter. If you like to add filter, you have a space for that, so that after the end of the video or whenever you are going out, you can easily insert your filter. So when you fold like this, the next thing to do is to take your scissors. Take your scissors. You have to make a cut in between the fabric at the edge of the two sides of the fabric. You make a cut. Make sure you cut it deep so that you allow your elastic go through them. Thus, it's a very easy tutorial. It's not something that takes time. You make this cut like two close to each other, into like 4 to 5 places on each side of the fabric. On each side of your end of your fabric, make cut just little bit on the both sides. Yes. You make like 8 cuts by the sides and follow the same line. Make another one here to the other side, the same way we did the other end. Make sure it's deep so that you come out through the other end. It's like so. And make another one closer to the first one. Just the tip of your scissors. Do not cut so deep in order not to ruin your fabric. Just follow the same line. You can use your pins to pin it up to know exactly where to put your. If you have a hole puncher, is something, you know, the something you can use to punch a hole, you can use it as well. That will be easier for you to, in order to avoid this cuts. You use the hole puncher. You know, I don't know, is it perforator? I can't remember the name now. You use to punch hole in between your peppers. You can use that as well to make a hole. Create this hole. This hole will serve as a guide where we'll insert our elastic. The elastic that will go through your head and the back of your neck. Now we are making the last cut. So yes, you make the cut like so. After making this cut, the next thing to do is to take your safety pin and put your pin like so. You see how I'm putting I put the pin? So yes, the safety pin. So now through this hole, we go like this first. Go like so. So no, we'll start from here. Anywhere you want to. See, here is where you have the fold. Make sure you have the good side of your fabric facing you. So now what we do is we'll go through this way, insert your pin, and allow it to come out through this way. You see? Insert the other one here, and allow it to pull it off through this way. You do like so, like it's like a zigzag. You see the whole idea? Allow it to come through this way. And you follow the same way, the same pattern again. Go through on top, allow your elastic to go on top of your fabric. Your elastic will go on top of your fabric. You follow the same pattern again. Put inside, bring it out through the next hole. Put inside, bring it through the next hole. Put inside and bring out through just like that. You follow the same pattern till the end. You see? This is what you get at the end. After inserting the hole, your elastic, you get something like this. You see? You will get something like this. Sorry. I just want to show you guys the true picture of what we are doing. Yeah, you get something in this form, in this shape. Your elastic has to go through this way. So after this, the next thing to do now is to remove the pin. Remove your pin and tie you can use your glue at this moment to glue this together, glue the end of your elastic together. But if you don't have a pin, you can easily do it, but I prefer to leave it like this so that you can adjust it to your size. Anybody can wear this, your kids or yourself, anybody. So it's better to leave it like this. You can tie it to your own fitting anytime you want to use it. So all we do now is to tie it together, and that's it. You see? You have yourself face mask. You see? So I'm gonna try on this one I already made. I don't want to wear this. I'll give it out to one of my friends. So like so. Sorry, first of all, put it through your neck, you see, and go like this at the back of your head, and push it down at the back of your head. Let me show you guys. This goes at the back of your head, and the other one here at the back of your neck. And your mask is ready. You adjust it to your fitting, as easy as. It doesn't take time. You don't feel any pain. No more hooking elastic at the back of your ears. Just at the back of your head, and that's it. And your neck. You see? It's as free as. Very free and comfortable. Very, very free and comfortable. So yeah, you can make yourself try and make one for yourself and see how it goes. It's so comfortable, and you don't have to fear about having any pain at the back of your ears and all that. So this is the end of our video. Hope you like the video. And do not forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye. Bye.